problem is the thing is such a midget. You know, the master cylinder in here backwards. You know, they go this way instead of that way. Like on that car, you know, the thing's right here, and I don't know, we got the brakes right away. You just open the bleeder. Wait a minute. It's done. Don't even need to pressurize. That's what I still think, too.
Well, we got one for half price now from Moss.
It's good. Now we have enough .5 to do whatever we want to do.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
I don't know if it's purple, or are they all purple? Really?
Purple, I think, the way it looks. Yeah. This, or we can try this. I never ran into this. It says right on here, for cylinders.
Yeah, that's why I bought it.
What does that mean?
Specifically for clutch.
Looks like a similar deal. Now, if we want to try to do some kind of bench bleeding cleverness, best we can think of, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Gumption. We're not going to go out in the rain, or are we?
Probably not.
Well, let me pull something in there.
Just fill it when it's installed through here
Before we put this in.
before we put that on. That's the best thing we can do, I think. Right?
I just got to get that on.
Oh, you did?
I'll do it the third time.
Another thing is to put grease in there, a blob of grease, and hold it that way.
Yeah, but it becomes a mess.
Push the nut in and let this bolt come out a little bit so the nut was flat against the surface.
Oh, okay.
And it becomes flat, and then you turn the bolt.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't absorb moisture from the air. It's the best thing about it. Which means, you know, if you got a bubble, it's going to do this thing. Water off the thing. I know we don't want to, but
I'll just get it from underneath again.
we want to actually fix the vehicle. Now, what about coming through that hole with the wheel off? Is that?
Maybe.
Does that exist? So let's go ahead and get this. Getting it up is only going to help us in terms of reducing this. Uphill here.
Yeah.
So
Let's raise it as high as we
yeah,
can.
let's raise it good and high. Yeah.
not seeing any more bubbles. Oh, there we go. Wow, that's a lot of bubbles. I didn't see this last time I did this. It's looking good.
I believe it's working. I think we're as good as we're gonna get.
Maybe. No, but the amount of bubbles I saw down there that I didn't see.
Much better than before.
Oh yeah.
Okay, well. All right.
Because I really opened it up this time. I was just like a faucet.
Initially here. Okay, here we go.
You got your phone?
Yeah.
If you can keep up.
I can keep up.
There we go. I really don't like the way that works.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I think we're ready to try this on the Parkway now.
Oh, yeah.
first run distance, well, we'll do this. Change my mind. We'll go up here to this road and turn around. If I can make it home without a problem, then it's off to the parkway.
Yeah.
There's a fair amount of transmission noise, isn't there?
Yeah.
You notice it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Which is not really odd. I mean, that's the way they are. As long as it's quiet in fourth gear, you know, it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Let's see, I guess we're back again.
I couldn't keep up.
Well, pack yourself in there and give it a try.
I'm gonna do it during the day.
You'll be fine.
No, I'm scared.
You'll be fine. Get in
Sure.
there. Yeah, jump in there. You
What?
only live once.
I think that's normal noise though.
Yeah.
Wow, the clutch is so good though. That you can like floor it, it don't feel like you're dying, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe this is still open. Just need to talk about it. I drive it once and I work it.
So like the clutch is so good, it's shifting good.
That's going for a while. That's the longest one yet.
What?
Yeah,
That? No.
I think so.
Oh, but it drives so good.
Whoa.
Yeah, we really got something now. Good for us.